What I wish I knew before buying copper jewelry in 2026. Not all copper is created equal. Here's the real scoop on Veras copper. Quick and simple. Veras copper isn't just jewelry. It's handcrafted in Sedona, Arizona, using 99.9% pure unplated copper. The catalog has everything from bold rings to classic bracelets, and each piece aims to help with joint relief and circulation. But, heads up, the health benefits? Purely anecdotal. Let's break it down. Pros. You get pure copper, not a plated knockoff. Each item is uniquely handcrafted. Plus, customers love it. Just check Trustpilot. Cons. Pure copper means it'll tarnish, so expect some green unless you're ready to clean it. And, it's pricier than mass-produced options, because it's not mass-produced. Verdict. Buy Veras if you appreciate artisanal craftsmanship and a natural look. Skip it if you want a medical fix or low-maintenance bling. Bottom line, choose Veras for style and quality, not for miracle